Ebusian for Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH. Mesro, like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for answer na mekwa asem no so no pese me da munina asem mo amoboaye with the ongoing contributions no donations towards studio as I've made you know, say maybe I'm meeting my bedroom. Okay, I'm just living in a single room apartment, so I've taken part of it to use as this that you are seeing here. I don't even have a wardrobe because wardrobe in any space doesn't have a space that I'll place it at. But most importantly, no Busian for what I also want you to know is sometimes say must send this kanusana. I don't know who has sent it. It makes me feel some way sad because I wish I could know the person who sent the money. Then I come and say I contact and say thank you, especially for more abrochiri. Some people will actually send me WhatsApp and then I know that I'm anticipating, but some also just out of their kind heart send and they don't want to give me, they don't even want me to know who the person is. Please, kindly help me. Let me know you so that I can thank you properly.
Quite no first see now sorry Diana. Quite no first the niema. Any politicians here na boa or boano. Where does he get his money from? You be saying question in the pain. Oh, and you may be on my young Sofo for no more ya and you're good oh. My young jay, let us be truthful, young cano creno. And your politicians, the same your mobile name, they may yag your papa a Janasari. I used to like this man. I didn't buy papa. Ah, Nedia won out the anointing oil, anointing a year, a year, friends, acquire as a depend to 22 friends. We're in a whole Dankali. Maybe I mean Dankali, your friend is saying your best in registration, you know. I'm George Jimmy. What 15 and he say, you know, one, and I won't come on pay a man. I didn't a man could to honor the anointing oil. Since I said you, 119, so Okaka LGBTQ was him. And when we hear propaganda, the tea and another Danko. And no matter power, I'm not hearing anything from your papa Duncan, friend saying Ajinasari. I didn't know one casa. Are they trying to tell us when we are politicians and now say they side with the NDC with what they are doing, and now when we are LGBTQ, no, they accepted the CM propaganda. When the NDC comes into power, they will not sign it. Are they saying they are all gays? Because that's at the end of the that's their Moshe Debbie and a Mokotnas and a Moshe Daye Muniema. We are Muniema and a Moshe Daye and the propaganda about Tosho, Sinebea and this for me power, mobile power, yes, sign a bill beer, reading propaganda, yeah. Then this is what it means. And not just a winner most support LGBTQ, no. That is why you people are quiet. And in a way trumudi for. And until you people are quiet. Because coming in the NTA will be what position I was there be doing not signing the LGBTQ law no it's wrong. But then will be better power no be catch us there be yen to me say no crampo the enka and you people are quiet. It means we trumudi for as of for na as of for what Ghana ni na fitting penny photo from the first to the last we na mu true. I will Ghana ha we trumudi for someone need trumudi for the then wake up and come and speak. Say Muslim before a chief imam never catch say or no any wish or the person who else no be free just say or no Kurana say kasa kura when the day is speaking about LGBTQ. Mona focus here cancer no. You people are quiet about this.
I even say Papa no time no LGBT one kebio.
Yeah.
One kebio.
There be that. And you people are quiet about it. Then it means it says that you know send your baby to NPP free so na NDC for papa one sign because they know say they will not sign it. Now me say no into the radio say no nothing what the best start see fra sorry dying. Ready be boom now any pastor who is dean and kolani true will be judged. Will be facing Yankopon bu because Sadi when ya debia sebi a yard papa and yemi one was a Mahama cast Sadi way who here because Anya Kulano or catch a Ghana for say young Che and Manu will fear those things in your papa young Che and Manu are swallowing Musa in your papa Sadi in a young Che was school Musa in your papa that should have told us a yard or best signing bill bia Missing Kofa way the cohe in my constituency. Missy NP not so NDC MP or dry not ya. O many pound turning ya shame quasi and Nieman Waya Hanamo. Or what they call mosques by mosques, churches by churches, Baumia the gay. But this thing that we are talking on social media, they say constituency BMO. That is their preaching. That was their message. Say Baumia Motumana or the gayism, baba, or the Trumu baba, obey yes, or the way baba. They preached all these things. Na Ghana for say be adwene mu ya to aba bone no ene yakoto aba bone de man kwase afo wei Mahama one so say side chicks for benya me say 2016 ya to Mahama draws money wo Ghana hanum say me say the only one me kan me say me boa because of enkola draws or edin kola Miss Bell they say me Tracy Boache and then Miss Bell be catch Miss Bell akọ record Tracy Boache audio be to Ghana hanum obi hu say wo ne papa no mo de da mo diska mo di no I'm a Ghana for you now. Where say who di Mahama di who di no Tracy Boache di no am I who say we handle social media Facebook account Mahama and no be catch say when they post this recordings what bow down Papa Miss Bell. Don't go and then sit on national TV to do kwasi I with papa no one out the neighbor here. You people made us know so or remo din kola dia di ni made ni na mo na mama ehu here and they have audios there. What the proof ni na beto ho member kasa nkwasi ade ni che ya to Mahama draws money because he had no credit. He was chopping your asses. Odimu trum nyina kwasi asema kwa be wi be ka che say an nkofo be kwa ka che say an yi be yinti no mamu nkasa nkwasi ase papa no and the papa no ya wa Ghana ha na be ka che say papa ne mo deda onemo deda ya wa Ghana ha and it was stored. All the audios are there. Nti enye me wonsa Mahama bako gya bebia ka kyese ai na friend say na ye be yes can be dia hwe side chicks no na side chicks de wa hwe o ma abre nti enye me wonsa say East Legon dan ni de keka hwe dan keka hu nyina ye to my girls and this is what our president Timigina simping so to me catch obi say bi oba be ye the whole president Timigina simping so ka say ye be mamusika the scan ye de mamwa mo side chicks nyina benye bi. If you saw not to way president more side chicks or shankulani draws and tell me one says I net here in the sign of Becano because no exemplary or no Olivia last exemplary and Uncle dear Chenishia in the sign of Becano. In Kenya, Dianca president, Bitter Bejan say we contract so I dare what demon also can never be your home for some side chicks now to be a baby. And you when you won't president time for this or Becassa. In Tedem also be placards, they could now catch any paconi plain say I nipper no any beef nor attended to the person. Look at this, a president. Na nado dia ona de no homa ye fofofo e na Ghana de ye mpa de fo ye pese bi se bi ye pa de a te se de omu jimi ye ya se ya na Ghana fo pe ye pa de ye be fa into pains ye be fa problems mu. That is what Ghanaians want. Na ye nya de fofofo ye mpe na kana nado nsu o de che ye ni light o de che nya Ghana fo be ka se ye refi da enema NPP ba ye na Ghana for because you're feeder. Na so say because say didi ujimi what o kwase ani mu say another jail emhusa is emhusa what be try to na nado dan Akufo-Addo so once e bedrum so de kuhye ne wenfa e bedrum so fuo e 18 cedis Akufo-Addo kwampo free so crowd jafu say 14 Ghana cedis what dia kwa ko do 18 COVID company Russia and Ukraine wa kwampo buy kwa na fuo ne was 17 cedis in 2022 etwam ko na Akufo-Addo ma ye dey ye tititi ni nyina so ma wo free so no 14 Ghana cedis na ye tua enema tuma be eduru kuhye na mo se mo be kuhye no e wenfa mo yisika twitwiri di $40 so ye ho hwe wo Ghana ye dende me se Mr. Maisho kita 1000 Ghana cedis sentiment due 2 days o ubeti weni no beka so bi na awia wo ubeka so bi na awia wo you would think that somebody have stolen from you but no be awia wo ye ubeka so bi wiawia wo na so bi wia wo ye amemo boni amemo kankan aye de road dross amemo boni amemo kankan ye de road dross catch me say side chicks side chick ye de be hwe side check here the best omo na nado dan Akufo-Addo esa so mo person mo twan trot population ti no mo koye editing this say wabroni oba fon tantan edit kan ho say wabroni no ene ne twem just because na those times ne ni mo say Mahama wa road draw say wa Ghana hanyi na twehia nti no mo pekwan betumi de yi omo ho ano knowing very well say ye can papa no and the rewo and a papa no and a handle account and a papa no in a bay papa didn't see a bon your mama Mahama as papa no E di enti ne bo nyoma papa no ye obere. Why do we have all these audios there? Di enti ne wo audio.
Who sector e Ghana ha say a NPP e jam footprint e Ghana ha. NPP is the only party about power. Messi sebi disable. One ade, one say twa, one nature, one baby twa. Ah, omuni evil skills mpo yetima skills ye ma odwuma ye. NPP pe. NPP is the only party about power. Sebi akola ya yim nge osha ye fumu krampo. Ye man policy any free metana ke si fire no nyem. The kufosi wuni free yeah me man go school free na me say ku for the ball be SS free. That's the policy of NPP. Ye ma go school free ya masama odwuma ye. So we will be up so about brown shad and about the NPP but Ghana percent Ghana done it because Singapore and Dubai almost so much share sad and I'm only done almost school and I teach you crew and I won't cry crew. So show our mind acquire yet the digitalization and technology and a couple and our mind at 2 point or be very good in IT. On him said doctor medicine. And on him said the only person but all good policy or rich in ideas. On him say a doctor. No, this Kevin Parko. Sikana went to me and pen 2016 I Parko. Oh no on Remo. Oh say so kono what nasi no rich strategy no besu no okacha on him say galanse hamo no the galanse bem no okacha boku se boku fue mutokwa no be ba meso no mamo no ye go call him say mbadi ni brisika ni so okacha nesi training for guys is a mo me mama free automatic post here on be toss idea ni tinu eno be tran tro akesiye e ka chere e di tumus ina o di mi ka be di ni kwasa peyin no o di mi ka na ko tun kwasi abande o di e fa emotional stress mu me say wo di nka auto prepared a won nka obati ase nka utmi afford 3 square meter there nka obati ase nka wawo ana una wo so your be man say that e say wawo na utmi nsho oba because won ka so your kwasa peyin you need vision tino nka wawo na hwe ba ana so to pala nka obati ase nka waware na we chop money a day 300 and competi as what but them cause some people so more brand is for you guys will perish in hell because I dream the moon nibi Sabi, I want tatia, I drink because I want that so come no sense. The shrivel because you see every soon. We want you guys to see the light, but you refuse because I trained them with Timuno. I didn't get some Mutakaka, some come church and who can now. Any bulldog, more bullying about me and them who didn't know if someone saw or them young come and I walk. Some of one nice, I saw on my bread. Who's a beer would about me and attend be a papa where yeshi omudia ni se ombe sesie Ghana so munim se Ghana no you were japadia se di Ghana edi ni year Ghana betimi ayese amai binti no omud lay down to sacrifice for the country but you people in the other hand must selfish interest in mu bully why go money must and you think you will prosper you said the more intimi what it untama the more intimi what it untama. Look at the pace this my friends about beyond the rado come mushe I don't know economy su that's true e to be me to economy su now collect kete o bit say if this lady Miss Bell obi anu ye me tankran sa wayosi no where na bra boy den ko besie na wayosi na bra boy den ko besie ah Dr. Mahmoud ba me kraman krapo we mo yam si wayosi e ko besie me yaba umia all because of yefunu na mo feel say e be yama wana utio ya wayosi we yare if I were you kan ma twi me won fi politics mu na ma bomb pen na kopa sam yare is one ya the gas the nerve when nim ta time ta say preka thing I custom at chaba umia na hwe me so bia o custom boni fast ankofo bia me si ni mo ntimu atitum tama this say epe mo fa echi na mo kom fie na mo ko pan ocho na mo ko pan ocho on fa mbo na chamo because adia mo ka che Ghana for in a position no Muye times 2. Muye times 2. Mahama et me a board the catcher is on the NDC for a camping. I'm say, oh my God, Ghana, we are jokers. Yeah, comedians. Ghana for Monsieur comedians, yeah, jokers, and this man was able to say, Ni cross one can say, keeping in Galamse, me human BMP, or Sofo BMP, Raphael, but down for the Raphael, Ralph, but down for bipolar Nippon MP, Menya, as I quiet in the basement man, the Nimta say, Kodogola water, Kevin tell us why our boy besano, it took me kind to mudicious one, no,